Hi everyone and welcome back to CADReader tutorial series. In lesson 21, we'll introduce the calculate offset area in CADReader. Alright, first thing first, go ahead and open your drawing in CADReader. Before we start measuring, it's important to set scale so that all your area measurements come out accurately. Don't skip this step, it makes a big difference. Now let's work through the offset area feature step by step. First, measure in an area, go to measure, and then select area. After completing the measurement, click on Calculate Offset Area. Alternatively, you can also find the Calculate Offset Area option below the member settings. Next, follow the prompts and left-click to select Area Annotation. This will open the Calculate Offset Area dialog box. Here, you'll see two main options, external or internal. You can choose depending on your needs. You can enter a value for all four sides. For example, if we need to expand by 2 meters, and the unit in the drawing is millimeters, you should enter 2000. Click Offset, and the software will automatically expand the external area by 2 meters. At the same time, it will recalculate and display the updated area and parameter values. For a clearer view of the results, right-click and select Show Drawing in Gray. Now, let's explore more advanced options. Click Calculate Offset Area again and then select Area Annotation. This time, instead of applying the same value to all sides, you can set offset values of each edge separately. Simply check the box to display all four sides, then assign different values. For example, expand the first side by 1 meter. The second side by 1.5 meters, the third side by 2 meters, and leave the fourth side unchanged. Click Offset, and CADReader will display the updated expansion result. Here a hint, click an edge in the upper box to select it. Unselected edges will not be included in the offset option. Red means selected, gray means not selected. Click Offset, and the drawing will update accordingly. Now, let's look at irregular shapes. Calculate Offset Area also works for irregular area. Start by selecting Polygon Arc Area to measure the area of an irregular shape. Once measured, click Calculate Offset Area and then select the measurement result. You'll notice that the shape includes multiple sides. Just like before, set a uniform expansion value such as 1 meter outward, or assign individual values to specific sides. For example, expand the third side by 1.5 meters, the sixth side by 1.2 meters, and leave the last side unexpanded. Apply the changes and you'll immediately see the updated area offset result. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.